Hi, this is Watch Hobby. It's been quite a number of weeks since my last unboxing. Anyway, I'm just going to show you a new set of unboxing videos. Now, this is a watch by Citizen, as you can see. So it's a simple, cube box, small, not that big. So let's see what watch is this. So as you can see, as you open it, this is the real watch box, and inside this rather simple cardboard box here in white with just a brand printed on top. That's it. There's nothing other text on this particular box. So this is the main watch box itself. So nice hard cardboard plastic, which is a nice black infill here, as you can see. So when you open it, what you get to see is a Citizen Tough. Yes, this is a Citizen Promaster Tough watch. Very simple, three-handed watch with a date functionality, eco drive. But what's interesting, there's two things interesting about this particular watch. That's the reason why I got it, is the fact that it is all titanium made. Material is titanium, sapphire crystal, but more uniquely is the fact that, as you can, let's see, I focus to the back. As you can see, the back is a monocoque design, i.e., there is no case back. This is forged, or well, I don't know how they actually build this, but I think this is made from one block, and the only access to the movement is either via the small little crown hole here or from the front. You cannot go through the back, as you can see. So this is stainless, this is titanium piece, and it has a subtle curved sapphire crystal in front, as you can see, and it has a green dial. So that's the reason. So at the moment now, this series, there's two. One's a dark gray dial, and the other one is green dial. Those are the current two choices under this range. Anyway, I will do a full review about this watch in my blog. Do come and visit it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and listening to me on this particular timepiece. I will also put up a video soon on how it actually looks on my wrist. But I like this watch because it's not that big, and it's unbelievably light because it's titanium. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope those who have not been subscribing, please do subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot. Give us a thumbs up, whatever, comment. Anyway, thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye for now.